How to create offers people can't refuse. In this video, I will tell you how you can create premium value offers and what are the 6 elements of high converting offer. Hey, this is Chiranjivee Rathore and I help coaches and consultants to get clients using high converting content strategies. Let's get started. How to create offers people can't refuse. So let's move forward. First of all, I will like to discuss about mindset of creating premium offers. Mindset 1, you attract what you vibrate. So what type of people you want to work with, you should become a person that you want to work with. So you attract what you vibrate. If you are an action taker, you will definitely attract action takers in your tribe. Mindset 2, premium package is not about charging more. They are about creating a lot of value. Mindset 3, invest, don't spend. Stop using the word spend and start using the word invest whenever you are making any investment in your self development. Mindset 4, master your craft. Whatever you're doing, always thrive for the best. Always look for the improvement in your skills so that you become best in that particular craft. So always try to master your craft. Next, get clear on 3 things. First, who? Who is having the problem your vehicle is solving? You should be clear about that. What? What kind of transformation you are giving? You should be clear on that. How? What are your methods to achieve that transformation? So you must be clear that whatever transformation you are giving, you should be specifically clear on your methods, like what methods you are going to give them to get that transformation. So you should be clear on these 3 things. Next, 6 elements of irresistible offer. Number one, solve bigger problem. Your offer should be solving the bigger problem. So identify the bigger problem of the market and start solving that bigger problem. Number two, your who should be trying to solve that problem for long time. Your target audience should be looking to solve that problem for the long time. So target the people who are already looking to solve that particular problem. Number three, level of complexity is higher. So the problem you are solving should be complex in nature. Number four, sophistication of your methods should be high. Like whatever solution you are giving should not be easily available on YouTube. That's how people will start investing on you. Number five, high certainty. When people are investing on you, they should be certain for the results. Next is time saving. So, whatever solution you are giving, they are able to do it in the lesser time, and that's how they will invest on you. Next is creating blue ocean in red ocean. If I can make my niche believe that new way is the key to their desire, and the only way they can do that is through your program, then all the objections become irrelevant and they will buy your program. So, this is how, when you are in a red ocean and you give them the opportunity that your method is the best method, and with your method they can achieve their results faster, then you can generally create a blue ocean in that red ocean. I have created this video on blue ocean and red ocean on my YouTube channel. You can check out my other videos to understand this concept deeply. How to scale your coaching business to $2,000 on fast track. So, for that, you can book a call with me to understand how I can help you to scale your coaching business to $2,000 on a fast track. So, you can book a call. Link is in the description also, or you can book a call using this particular link. Hope you like the video. If you love the training, please like the video and subscribe the channel by hitting the bell icon. Also, you can join my free Facebook community. Link is in the description.